Today we're gonna be making roasted salmon, corn, peppers, onion, fennel. We're gonna do a little bit of peach and tomato, and then just some garnish on top. It's a very simple summer dish. This is a really simple, healthy dish. Gonna come together in probably about 20 minutes. So let's start. First things first, onion. Onion, I just want to be nice and small. I'm gonna get my pan for the vegetables, pan for the fish on low. I just want it to be getting hot. Onion. Nice and small. What all I want. Garlic, same idea. About half a clove of garlic. Olive oil in the pan. I'm gonna whack my onion, garlic in there and just start the party a little bit with them. They're gonna start mingling. Fennel, kind of want same idea, nice and small. About a quarter of a head of fennel should probably do the trick. Fennel is just a really nice, fresh, anise flavored vegetable, very fragrant, very fresh tasting, has beautiful texture. I love fennel raw. My grandmother's from Finland, and then 3 of my other grandparents are from Italy. And so growing up after dinner, a lot of times they would bring raw fennel to the table after dinner, and you eat just raw fennel. It's great with digestion, it's very delicious. I love eating fennel raw. I like braising it, searing it, cooking it with some stock low and slow in the oven. It's also very nice, really like beautiful, soft texture vegetable, very delicious. And it goes really well with fish. Raw fennel shaved salad. Let's just get that kind of started. I'm gonna get that fennel in there now as well. Smells delicious already. And I've got this beautiful little pepper here, sort of reddish green. I got it from the farmer's market this morning. I like to just kind of cut around the seeds. Like that. Same idea with the pepper. Small dice. This is a sweet pepper. It's not spicy. If you like heat, you can throw in a little chili, spicy chili if you want. Pepper in, a little salt, a little pepper. While that's going, I'm gonna start getting my corn ready. Beautiful, fresh corn on the cob. That again, I got at the farmer's market this morning. Make sure that these vegetables aren't burning. They're not getting too much color. It's kind of a low and slow type of thing that you're going for here. Not too much oil. You shouldn't really see the excess oil. Just cut that corn right off the cob like that. Beautiful. Onion, garlic, pepper, fennel, all starting to get soft. Corn in. Just gonna turn that heat up just a little bit. So I got parsley and I got coriander. So I'm gonna pick down my parsley. Parsley stems you don't want, coriander stems you do want. Pick down the parsley so it's just leaves. The coriander stems, if they're very big at the bottom, you can snap them off. But other than that, you can eat them, they're fine. Okay. Get everything together, nicey, bunch it up. I love cooking with fresh herbs. I use fresh herbs a lot to finish stuff. Just brightens everything up. The corn you don't want really too much color right now. Very light golden brown. Garnish with fish. You don't want very intense coloring, any intense flavors. The fish is very delicate, and so you kind of want things that go well nicely with it. So I don't like to overly brown things too much when I'm serving it with fish, because it kind of just stands up to it a little bit too hard. Okay, so look. Corn, peppers, onion, garlic, fennel. I'm gonna go with chicken stock. And just let that cook. That's gonna boil. It's still gonna start to cook down. All the vegetables are gonna get nice and soft. Okay, the corn's gonna become fully cooked. The vegetables are gonna become nice and soft. Once that stock comes down to where we want it, it's the right thickness, we're gonna add cream. So I'll pop these little herbs here on the side for now. Next, tomato from the market and a lovely peach. Okay, we just want almost like little petals, almost like a little salad. Okay, so I'm gonna just take the core out. Just like have this really nice, bright, raw tomato and peach salad that's gonna kind of go around the side. You want nice little bite-sized pieces, like that. Same thing with the peach, sort of mimicking the size of the tomato. Go nice and thin, kind of like that. Nice quality olive oil, salt, and just a tiny bit of white wine vinegar. Give that a little mixy, nicey. Let all of that start to come together. Bright, acidic, you know, a little bit sweet. Just add like a nice little pop portion of salmon here. I'm gonna take the skin off. All I'm gonna do, guys, get my knife underneath and look, just run it along the bottom. Okay. Back on the plate. That stock is almost fully reduced. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go in with a little bit of cream. And like I said, I'm gonna cook that cream until it becomes the thickness that we're looking for. I'm gonna show you what that means, okay? So I've got my pan on, ready to cook my salmon. On the salmon, I'm gonna go salt. Just salt on both sides. Okay, seasoned from high up so the salt disperses nicely. A little bit of high smoke point olive oil in the pan, medium to high. Make sure it's nice and hot before you put the fish in. Right as your pan is just about to reach smoking, go in with your fish, skin side down, okay? Now, when you're cooking salmon in a pan like this, you're cooking it 75% of the way on one side of the fish, the skin side of the fish in the pan, and you watch it cook, coming all the way up. All right, once you're about 75% of the way up the protein, you flip it, baste it, and then take it out. Salmon I like to eat medium rare, medium, so don't blast it. The cooking's making its way up the side of the protein. Can you see that? We're just about there. We're about at the 75% mark, okay? It's coming up the side of the fish. So I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna go in with a little knob of butter. On this side, you wanna kinda just get some heat into the other side of the fish so it starts cooking up the opposite direction. When you're basting it, you're actually giving the top of the fish some nice color. I'm gonna go with a little bit of honey on the top of the salmon and lemon juice. That's a beautiful piece of fish right there. Now, the last thing we need is the sauce, and it's getting there. The cream is starting to thicken up. You're cooking that cream down so that when you put it on the plate, it doesn't piss out everywhere. It has a nice consistency and texture, and it's not gonna be too much of a runny sauce. Honey and salmon's a great combination. Salmon's a fatty fish. Acidity, sweetness, really nice with salmon. That's almost there. Give it a taste and give it a season if it needs it, salt and pepper. Right at the very end, I'm gonna put my chopped herbs in, parsley and coriander. Salmon. We have our beautiful little tomatoes and peaches that we cut. That's just sort of marinating in vinegar, olive oil. Got these nice little pea shoots, just for some greenery. I've also got this lovely red amaranth that I got at the market. Little pop of color, some earthy flavor, nice olive oil. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a delicious summer fish dish. Roasted salmon, corn, succotash, fresh peaches and tomato. Very delicious, colorful, pop of flavor. Took about 25 minutes start to finish. Wow. That's really good. Super bright. The cream is like the only thing on the plate that's heavy, and it kind of acts as a really nice carrier to all the sweetness and the fat from the salmon. The peaches and the tomatoes have been sitting in vinegar for like 10 minutes, so they're like lightly pickled, which is really nice. That is good. All right, guys, see you next time.